Vanwyk from the Netherlands is a manufacturer of equipment for the improvement of the compounding process in the flavor and fragrance industry. Vanwyk's approach is to support the complete compounding process, both on management level and on the compounding floor. Our smart machine designs and up-to-date software are known for their reliability and no-nonsense approach. Vanwyk solutions provide years and years of reliability and profit. International Flavors and Fragrances is one of the companies that have full confidence in Vanwyk solutions. IFF has Vanwyk machines placed in production and sampling applications all over the world. In their production site in Tilburg, the Netherlands, Vanwyk installed an 800 component unit used for samples and small production lots. The machine has 5 independently operating dispensing modules, containing 800 different raw materials in total. The machine makes many hundreds of small and medium-sized pours per hour. The raw materials are dispensed with small, high-precision valves with dispensing nozzles. Under the nozzles there are scales that allow dispensing with milligram precision. The raw materials are stored in bottles and drums, the size of which depend on the material usage. The materials flow to the dispensing valves by means of nitrogen pressure. The machine is provided with a dispense pot buffer to provide unattended operation 24 hours a day. The operator places pots provided with a barcode ID label. A manipulator takes the pots and brings them to the dispensing modules. The modules have a position where the next pot can be placed, so no time is lost with waiting. Inside the dispensing module, the barcode of the order is scanned to select the right recipe to be dispensed. In every module there is a scale with milligrams position that picks up the pot from its initial position and brings it to the nozzles with the required products. After opening of the drop catcher, protecting the batch against cross-contamination, the right amount of liquid flows into the pot. To obtain a precision measured in milligrams, the flow ends with some micro shots. In every module, the process of dispensing runs independently. The dispensing control software adapts automatically to the flow properties of the different raw materials. After all pours in the module are done, the scale moves back to its initial position, where the pot can be picked up by the manipulator. The manipulator takes away the pot to bring it to its next destination. The batch is not ready before it is run through all modules that have the required materials of the particular batch. When all materials have been dispensed, the pot is provided with a lid by a lid dispenser. There are 2 types of lids, one for correct batches and one for batches with missing materials. The manipulator brings the pot back to the dispense pot buffer, where it can be picked up by the operator. Another company that uses Vanwyk equipment in their plants all over the world is Drom, with their home office and plant in Bayabrun, Germany. A key installation for their production lots is the compact dispense line. The machine is equipped with 266 dispensing valves connected to storage tanks on the top floor. Dispensing takes place in large and small containers, placed on a large weighing scale and a small weighing scale, traveling together on a trolley under the dispensing valves. The two scales together combine the largest possible batches with the highest possible precision. A conveyor for large dispensing containers allows the unattended running of the machine for a number of hours. The containers have a barcode to identify the batches. The same applies to the conveyor for small dispensing containers. The containers are automatically moved on the scales and the barcodes are read. The height differences of the container are automatically compensated by the lifts on the scales. The valves are opened with a valve actuator. The proportional opening of the valve guarantees the fastest possible dispensing with the highest possible precision. The trolley moves from valve to gather all materials in the recipe. The pours in the large container are done very fast. The valve construction allows it to dispense very fast but also very accurately. After the batches are complete, they are transferred to the exit conveyors. The pots are taken away for further processing. Whatever level of automation is reached with dispensing machines, there will always be a number of pours left to be done manually. Vanwyk offers the software to help the compounder do the job correctly and to guarantee full traceability. By means of barcode scanning, the system checks if the correct materials are dispensed. The graphics of the screen guide the compounder and show him what to do. A progress bar helps the compounder to dispense fast and accurately. The bar changes color to indicate progress and quality of the pour. Overpours are indicated in red. A manual dispense line helps to reduce the time and effort to dispense manually directly out of drums. The storage of materials in tanks can be combined with storage in drums. Vanwyk supplies dedicated drum connectors, using nitrogen gas as a pushing and as a protecting medium. Not only DROM and IFF dispatch products made with help of Vanwyk equipment. A lot of other flavor and fragrance manufacturers rely on the Vanwyk know-how of high-tech compounding solutions. Small. And large.